How can I protect my hearing from loud sound? To protect your hearing from loud sound, here are some strategies or precautions that you may take. Use earplugs or earmuffs. Move away from the source of loud noise. Limit your exposure time. Turn down the volume while watching television or listening to music or while using headphones or earbuds. Be cautious with personal audio devices. Protect your ears during recreational activities. Educate yourself about safe noise levels. Get regular hearing checkups done with an audiologist or hearing healthcare professional. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or call us at 965839 5839.